Well, hello viewers, welcome back another video. In this video, I am just talking about why Windows 11 failed. Windows 11 की ग्रोथ स्टॉप हो चुकी है. Windows 11 ने एक प्लेटो हिट कर दिया है, जिस वजह से जो यूजर्स है वो Windows 10 से Windows 11 पर बिल्कुल भी नहीं आना चाहते. It's really bad news for Windows 11 and Microsoft. But what is the reason to fail Windows 11? It's not official announcement, but some reports says that. So let's see why Windows 11 not performing properly. If we compare Windows 7 and Windows 10 to the Windows 11, then it will be observed that Windows 7 and Windows 10 is much better than Windows 11. So that's why people not adopting Windows 11. They are hates Windows 11. There is some reasons for failed Windows 11. There is the first reason to fail Windows 11. They are strict system requirement. आपके पास कितना भी नया पीसी हो, कितना भी पावरफुल पीसी हो, अगर आपके सिस्टम में TPM 2.0 वर्जन नहीं है तो आप Windows 11 बिल्कुल भी इंस्टॉल नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर यही TPM 2.0 वर्जन किसी नॉर्मल लैपटॉप में, किसी i3 लैपटॉप में है तो ये वो लैपटॉप इजीली Windows 11 को इंस्टॉल कर लेगा, जो कि यही बात यूजर्स को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती, जिस वजह से यूजर्स है Windows 11 को हेट करने लग जाते हैं. Microsoft announced to allow Windows 11 for all the system, but you don't have TPM 2.0 on your system and you're installing Windows 11 on your system, then Microsoft gives watermark on your computer. It's really shameful thing by Microsoft. Microsoft forcing users for use their Edge browser. Edge browser is good, but Microsoft forcing their own profit, it's wrong. There is a lot of bugs and glitches on Windows 11. That's the reason Windows 11 stopped their growth. It's truth, and we can't hide anything to the people. If you like this video, then do subscribe and tell me your opinion about Windows 11.